What's up, everybody? Brian here with Attention to Details in Chesterton. We're just going to do a end of the week recap of what's going on and let you know what's coming. First off, we'll start with the 2006 Ford GT, 85% complete. A lot of work, a lot of wrapped edges, pushing the limits on some things as far as making it look as seamlessly as possible, but it's coming out fantastic. Front fenders are done, doors are done. This whole hip section, rockers are done. Same on the other side, and we got some more. We're going to be tackling probably over the weekend or first of the week all this in here because the kit they have through our software, a lot of seams, so we're going to attempt to do this in one piece. I think we can make it work, but we're going to try it out and play with this, just trying to make it look super tight. So this has been an awesome vehicle to work on. So we got that going, and then over here we got the 2022 Jeep Gladiator with the SRT Scat Pack engine put in it. America's Most Wanted, full suspension, axles, everything. This is from LaPorte Chrysler Dodge Jeep Magnuson Performance. They build some badass cars and trucks. Check them out. But we've teamed up with them. We've got several coming in that we're doing some of their cars. So stay tuned for that because we possibly got a couple of the new Hellcats coming in, one in Sublime Green that we're looking to do a full wrap in stealth. It's going to turn out beautiful. We'll keep you posted on that. So this Jeep here is a full wrap with the Expel Fusion, the stealth, and it's coming out beautiful. We're probably 95% complete. This will be leaving first of the week. We got Jose's putting everything back on it. We had fenders off, door handles, you name it. This thing was disassembled so we could wrap underneath everything. You see no seams, come out absolutely stunning. So this has been a wonderful job. And then we have the 2023 TRX Ram that we're fully wrapping. Another one from a customer from LaPorte Chrysler Dodge Jeep as well. We're fully wrapping this in stealth. We got the full front done, this full side, tailgate. We got one of our new girls over here, Dina. She's doing the other side, then they're going to attack the hood, but we've taken this apart as well. In the process will be starting later this afternoon, putting things back together. Then they're going to attack this massive hood all in one piece, bulk wrap, so we got all of the trim out to make it look seamless where you don't see any lines. Very happy too, we finally got our new pill boards in. I call them the $1 million boards, but 10 feet long, a little over 10 feet long and 4 feet wide. So we've had some that we had made, but these are the real deal. We've got these doing a lot of different things here as well. We've got race deck flooring being delivered next week, and then epoxy on this side, and then we might be adding about 5,000 square feet. Stay tuned for that as well. But anyway, this is all being completely done over in a clean room. We're very excited about it. We'll show you the process as we're doing it and the finished product. We have a massive amount of vehicles coming in. We got a couple Rivians coming in for full wraps. We have another Lucid Air Touring coming in for a wrap, another Cadillac Escalade, a couple really cool Porsches coming in as well. One very rare, I forget the color of it, but you'll see it. So we're doing some wrapping on that. And a lot of things going. Very humbled and thankful for everybody that's trusting us and bringing their stuff in. I invite everyone that's thinking about the paint protection film, your ultimate protection from Expel, ATD. Give us a call, come in and check us out, see our work, see the difference, see what makes us stand out from everybody else in the paint protection film. For now, love and happiness, peace.